Today, we're diving into the world of supply chain management and exploring the transformative concepts of continuous improvement. Welcome to our channel, all about sharing the best Lean Six Sigma tools to help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Whether you're a seasoned supply chain professional or just beginning your journey, understanding the importance of continuous improvement can drive success and resilience in today's dynamic business landscape. So let's dive in. Continuous improvement, often referred to as Kaizen in Japanese philosophy, is the ongoing effort to enhance processes, products, or services. In the realm of supply chain management, this principle holds immense significance. It's not merely about making incremental changes, it's about fostering a culture of innovation, collaboration, and adaptability throughout the supply chain ecosystem. One of the primary benefits of continuous improvement in the supply chain is the enhancement of operational efficiency. By regularly analyzing and optimizing processes, organizations can identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and waste. This can lead to streamlined workflows, reduced lead times, and lower operational costs. Whether it's through lean manufacturing techniques, Six Sigma methodologies, or automation technologies, continuous improvement drives efficiencies that propel the supply chain forward. Another critical aspect of supply chain management is fostering strong relationships with suppliers. Continuous improvement encourages collaboration and transparency with suppliers, leading to mutual beneficial partnerships. By engaging in open dialogue, sharing feedback, and setting shared goals, organizations can work together to drive innovation, quality improvements, and cost savings. Additionally, by continuously evaluating supplier performance and capabilities, companies can mitigate risks and ensure a resilient supply chain. In today's fast-paced business environment, agility is key to staying ahead of the curve. Continuous improvement equips supply chains with the flexibility and responsiveness needed to adapt to changing market dynamics. Whether it's shifting consumer preferences, regulatory changes, or disruptions in the global landscape, organizations that embrace continuous improvement can swiftly adjust their strategies, processes, and operations to meet evolving demands. This agility not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also enables companies to seize new opportunities and maintain a competitive edge. Before moving on to the next section, if you'd like to learn more about how Lean Six Sigma can help you inspire, innovate, and improve, check out our book on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Continuous improvement serves as a catalyst for innovation and sustainability within the supply chain. By encouraging a culture of creativity and experimentation, organizations can identify innovative solutions to complex challenges. Whether it's implementing environmentally friendly practices, developing new technologies, or redesigning products for recyclability, continuous improvement drives progress towards a more sustainable future. Furthermore, by aligning business objectives with environmental and social goals, companies can enhance their brand reputation and contribute positively to society. Now that we've explored the benefits of continuous improvement in the supply chain, let's discuss how organizations can effectively implement these initiatives. It starts with leadership commitment and employee engagement. Leaders must champion a culture of continuous improvement and provide the necessary resources and support. Engaging employees at all levels ensures that everyone is invested in the process and contributes their insights and ideas for improvement. Additionally, leveraging data and analytics and technology enables organizations to identify trends, monitor performance, and drive data-driven decision-making. Continuous improvement is not just a strategy, it's a mindset that drives excellence and innovation within the supply chain. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Also, consider supporting our work on Patreon. Link is in the description. Until next time, never stop improving.